Hey friends, welcome to my channel Jeevan ki kalam se, and I am Chandni Singh from Uttar Pradesh district Jalon, as you know me, and I wish you all are doing very well, fine, and I'm also fine. And basically, in today's video, I am just going to share with you some things in my English speaking journey. Okay, so. Uh, I have taken a challenge that I will learn English in 30 days. And basically, this is my day second to learn this language. And if you want to learn this language, if you want to improve your spoken, you can also take this challenge with me and join with me and improve your spoken with me. Okay, so day by day, I will give you a challenge to and give you a target, obviously, to complete this target within a day. Okay, so in this day, uh, today onwards, I am going to practice some imperative sentences, and some are based on let's. Okay, some sentences are based on let's. So when we want to improve our English, if we are learn basic to advanced, so in this journey we have to start with imperative sentence. If we going through the simple to complex, then the journey will be easy for all of us. So uh, I'm just give you a target, then you can make your own sentences based on imperative and based on let's. Okay, and you have to make at least 1,000 words, 1,000 sentences, uh, separate. Okay, 1,000 sentences based on let's, and 1,000 sentences based on let's. This is the target for today onward. So this is the target basically for today. And I make some sentences, I give you some examples how can you make your 1,000 sentences, and where can you find these sentences, okay. So you can go through the Google, and as well as you can search by the YouTube, because YouTube had a lots of content related to the spoken English, right? So you can use the YouTube as well, and you can use the Google as well. Okay, so I wrote some sentences to for my practice, just only my practice, and I start to apply on my daughter and as well as my husband also. Okay, so you can also apply these sentences on your family members, and practice these sentences as much as you can. Okay, so by this you can improve your spoken. If you are basic learner, if you are just trying to speak sentences, if you don't have confidence, you can watch my previous video, what was I already uploaded, what did I already upload. So by this video you can improve your confidence also, and in this video you can make your 1,000 sentences based on imperative and 1,000 sentences based on let's. So this is the target for today onwards, and day by day we have a target for the particular day, and practice our spoken English. Okay, and friends, here I am going to say something for you all, that it is only you who can teach you, who can motivate you, and who can make speak with you. Okay, so don't find the partner, and don't make excuses that you don't have partner, you don't have any environment, you don't have any the other sources to speak. You can find everything whatever you want. If you have any if you want to learn anything, if you want to start something new, if you really want to something, uh, if you really want to achieve something in your life, you can do it, you have to do it. Okay, so believe in yourself, because you are perfect, for you. Okay, and you have to start just from where you are. Okay, you can start where you are, just from where you are. Don't think, don't go through the fluency. Don't think for mm, remember one thing, friends. Remember one thing. If you give 30 minutes in a day for your English speaking practice, you can command this language easily. Okay, you can command on this language easily. So friends, basically I just try to speak in this language as much as I can, and you also can practice as you can. Okay, as much as you can. Friends, remember one thing. If you really want to learn this language, never quit. Okay, never give up. Try every day. Try to do something more and learn something new in your next day, and in your every day. Okay, in every day. Friends, first thing that is, I am just a learner. Maybe I will make a mistake. I make a lots of mistake in my videos, I know, but here I am just learning. Okay, and I just want to encourage you that you also can learn. Don't think the right or wrong. Don't think about the perfection. Don't go through the perfection. Don't wait for the perfection, because perfection is comes when we start, when we will start. Okay, when we will take a step, then the perfection will come. And perfection will never come if we want, if we don't want to try. If we will not want to try, then perfection will never come. Okay, so you just think that maybe you are make wrong sentences, maybe you are make mistakes when while speaking. It's happened with everyone. Don't you are not a alien, and you are not a machine also. Then maybe machine also makes some mistakes sometime, and we are human, so we can make mistakes, and this is allow for everyone. When who want to learn, who want to start something new. So you just start your conversation with, if you don't have any partner, if you don't have any environment, then you can start with your kids. If you have kids, you can start with them. If you don't have any kids, then don't worry, you can talk with your books also. You can talk with your notebooks also. And yes, so in today's video, just this is my little video, and just I want to give you a target for today, and you can make your own sentences. If you are not able to make your sentences, you can comment me in the comment section. I will definitely help you to make these type of sentences. But please friends, don't understand me as a coach or as a teacher, because I am also a learner, and maybe I make mistakes. I'm not a perfect in this language, and I'm just go through the ways what I find it. Okay, this is my today's target. Then I make at least 1,000 sentences of imperative and based on let's. So by this at least some sentences we can remove Hindi to English. Okay, we can improve some sentence. In some sentences we can improve at least 1%. It's some 1%, and maybe it's 0.1%, but think at least we move on from zero, right? So if you really want to achieve your goal, if you really want to move on to your goal, then start your journey and take the challenges and face the challenges also, and don't afraid of the challenges, and don't be panic in the